Soft morning
Practicing
light
brave
is waking
tiny
up the
steps,
trees.
breathing calm, crossing
A
softly.
gentle lesson starts right in our breeze. DinoBu hums a quiet, cozy
Small
tune.
front
Let's learn
claws
together
tap
under
steady,
golden
finding
moon.
wood.
A woven path of roots lies soft and wide. We take a breath and watch the
Gentle peaks down,
butterflies
stepping
glide.
forward with care.
Teaching means we pause before we start to go and watch the little stepping stones below. Oh,
A butterfly flutters, breathing calm and slow.
light that guides us forward through the morning bright. Step by step,
Eyes
we
ahead,
walk with
steady rhythm,
steady
crossing
grace.
one step.
Teaching brings us sunshine all over the place. We lift a small front claw,
Soft
and
tail
place it
bounces, stepping calm and
while
steady.
listening to the forest quiet sound. Teaching is a patient, bouncy little art.
Almost
like
there,
tracing soft
shifting
and
weight
sparkly
with
leaves
gentle care.
apart. Oh, teaching is a gentle, glowing light.
Final
that
tiny
guides us
steps,
forward
reaching a
through
green
the
bank.
morning bright. Step by step, we walk with steady grace. Teaching brings us sunshine.
Breathing calm,
all
looking
over the
back at our path.
we pause upon the bridge and breathe so slow, watching a butterfly in colors.
Soft tail sways, feeling proud of crossing.
Little steps feel new, and try again with patience shining through.
Tiny paws clap softly, friends gather near.
Teaching is a gentle, glowing light that guides us forward through the morning.
Walking to the meadow, breathing
Step by
calm
step, we
and
walk
proud.
with steady grace. Teaching brings us sun.